Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to look up my canal. So today I'm back to do a quick get ready with me, a quick really nice makeup look tutorial, something glam and simple at the same time. So I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is what I'm going to play with today, and this little glitter from the Makeup Revolution. So yeah, let's jump into the tutorial. First of all, I'm going to do my eyebrows. You guys know eyebrows takes forever to do, so I'm going to use this LA Girl brow pencil today. So I'll be back, stay tuned. So now that I'm done with my eyebrow and I have primed my eyes with the NYX Jumbo pencil in milk, so now I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this brown hair, use it as a transition color. It's a little bit reddish, but it's okay. It's a little bit on the warm tones, like a little bit warm, but it's a good color. So I'm gonna take a little bit lighter brown. Take this one here next, just to soften it a little. So now we're done. We're going to take another clean brush. I'm going to take this color here, like this color here, something like a little bit of orange. You're going to put it right on top of that which we use to transition. Colors are really pigment. I really like this palette. The colors are like super pigment and really nice. So now we're gonna take a little bit of this color here. It's a little bit like a little bit darker than this normal orange I use. So now I'm going to take the first color that I used to transition, this brown here. Just take a little bit and just kind of like go above here, just to soften the look a little bit on the top. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a clean brush that doesn't have any product. I'm just going to swipe it on top of this. Just like a little bit of swipe, just to blend everything together. So now that that is done, we're going to take going to cut the crease. Just gonna take this NYX Jumbo pencil and milk. Just a little bit like that. And then we're gonna take another brush, just like gonna blend it. And then now we're going to take this NYX glitter primer. We're gonna use the other side of the brush, just a little bit, and then blend it on top of the where you just put like that. So now we're going to take this Makeup Revolution glitter. You're gonna take a more smaller brush, and then you're just gonna take the glitter, just put it on top of the, you guys can see the pigment is really nice. Now you guys can see how nice the glitter is. And then now you're just going to take this palette, mix the colors, and just try to like blend. Go in a little bit on top of that glitter and just like blend things together. And you guys see? It's a very, very simple look. She's like, you're gonna take that first brush that you used to transition, kind of like blend everything. So this is what the eyes are gonna look like. So now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna take a little bit of this dark brown and just to like put it on the outer corner, like here. Just a little bit, just to make that a little bit darker. Just like that, just a little bit darker. And then I'm going to take that first brush that I used to transition, just to blend everything. So that is the eyes. And now we're going to take my eyeliner and line those eyes. So now that the eyes is done, we're going to jump into the face. First, we're going to color correct. So now that is done, I'm going to take my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. This is Sun Goddess. I'm going to take just a little bit like this, and I'm just gonna and then now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to mix the two together. This is 365, this is 360. I'm just going to mix both of them together. So this is the look for the makeup. I'm not going to show you guys how I do a highlighter because I'm going to do a quick review slash demo on this new highlighter that I just picked up from MAC. So stay tuned for that video. I'll put the video here or here. I'll put a link here so you guys can go and check it out. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on this highlighter and then I'll be back to show you guys the full face, but don't forget to check this video out for the highlighter, so stay tuned. So this is the finished result of the look. I just did a quick demo slash review on this MAC highlighter palette. So if you guys are interested in that video, I'll put a link there. I'll put a link in the description box. Please go and check it out. But this is what the makeup look like, the entire face and the eyes. I hope you guys like this look, and if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I hope to see you guys very soon. This is your Amy. Vergeet niet te abonneren en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal, op mijn Facebook pagina, en geef deze video een duim omhoog als je deze video leuk vindt. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Bye. Doeg.